Belts by Minnie. Today is a new hair day, and I am back again with another hair tutorial, y'all. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. We on the road to 5K. Let's go ahead and get there. And on that though, y'all, we gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, you guys, I am back, and today's video is about Dsoar hair, you guys. They sent me a 13x4 lace frontal wig in like a honey blonde color, y'all. It's a really cute color. Real cute, real pretty. It was 26 inches. 26 inches, you guys. 180% density, you guys. So it was a highlighted scrape wig. Very cute color. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Dsoar hair. Everything about them is going to be down in the description. Let's go ahead and get right into this install though. So for this install, I decided to go with like a straight middle part type of look, y'all. And right now, as you can see, I'm about to go in there. I'm about to get the wig out the kitchen. As y'all see, I'm in my new area. I'm in my new area today, but I ain't showing y'all my little other side over there, because my other side over there a little bit exclusive. I don't even want to show y'all yet. But y'all not gonna do too much of talking in this video. I'm gonna just fast forward this video and y'all can just go watch me do this install. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be right back once I go get the wig. Alright, you guys, I'm back and I already glued the wig down. As y'all can see, I got it tied down and I cut my baby hairs already. I haven't did them yet, but I cut them already, and I put, you know, did what I need to do. But y'all, first thing first, I got my flat ironer and my hot comb plugged there right now, and I got my BioSilk that I'm about to use in my hair to flat iron my hair. So let me go ahead and get some little BioSilk going throughout this hair. It's kind of brittle a bit, but it's good. The color is super cute. This color right here, y'all, like, this color is some type of, it's like a honey brown. I'm gonna say, like, give me very honey brown, honeycomb type color, you know. It's cute or whatever. I don't really too much be getting this color because I don't know, I feel like this color don't be looking real good with my skin complexion, but it's alright. It's gonna do the job for today. It's gonna do the job for today. And of course I'm gonna put some cute little lashes on and get it all looking good. So that's how this look. I put my BioSilk through it, so I'm gonna wait till my flat ironer start beeping and then I'm gonna start flat ironing. But it's alright, you guys, so my flat ironer is ready and now it's time to flat iron this hair. I don't know why this hair got like a wave texture after I done blow dried and washed it, but hey, it is what it is, you know. Just gotta do what you gotta do. Deal with what you gotta deal with. I don't know why I got a little wave texture to it, but hey, it is what it is. But we about to flat iron this hair and we just go sit and chill, and I'm gonna just fast forward. guys, so this is the final look of the hair. As y'all see, I did my hair so cute. Like, look at this. I put on here, put me some little lashes on because I got some stuff to do and I need to take some pictures. But you guys, as y'all can see, your girl slayed this hair. Like I said, 13 by 4, highlighted wig, 26 inches. Stop playing. Y'all make sure y'all check out Dsoar hair. Everything about them is going to be down in the description. If you want the same exact wig, trust me, it's going to be down in the description. Make sure y'all check out their little coupon codes because they be having coupon codes. Everything is going to be down in the description about this hair. But you guys, I kind of, you know, I don't really like to go for this color, but this color kind of, you know, give me what it's giving what it's supposed to give today. I would say that it's giving what it's supposed to give. Cute little baby hairs, all that, just looking all good. So y'all make sure y'all like, y'all comment, subscribe, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the next meal. Make sure y'all check out Dsoar hair, and that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm out, you guys. Stay tuned for the next milk.